Hi, it's Neil. Welcome to my office, and today I have some binoculars. The way they have it written is binoculars. This is value quality. So let's see how quality and value they are. Well, we know the value because we bought it, but let's see how it is here. So there's nothing else in the box here. So this is everything it comes with. Comes with a little, what the shit is this? A little envelope with a little paper in it. I don't know, just nothing. Good. A little thank you. Thank you from Daniel Chai. I guess he's the manufacturer of the customer service team. Thanks from the customer service team and a little quick start guide for it. Okay, so this is the binoculars. I guess it also comes with a little cleaning pad. I think that's what was in the envelope. Okay, so here we go. We'll open this up and see how these binoculars look. They're actually pretty heavy. It comes with a little strap here so I can wear it around my neck. I guess I'm gonna have to hook it up. And then these are the binoculars. They've got some weight to them, so they seem pretty decent that way. It says 10 times 42 multi-coated. Okay, so let's see. I can see across the house. Pretty good. I mean, it works. I can see stuff. I guess that's one of the good things about binoculars. It's nice to be able to see stuff, and you turn this little dial here to focus on it. And then I guess you can turn these things here to make it a little bit more comfortable. And these open up there, so you can kind of just leave them hanging, which is kind of nice. So you can have your caps always handy without them falling all over the place. And then the caps for the front, these ones here, will be through the little string here, so they won't get lost either. And you can see, you can get it here. If your eyes are a little closer together, you can kind of bend it down here. You see, bending it down and get them close or further apart. So seems pretty nice. It's called Alatino. You can see there, Alatino is actually part of the branding, I guess, of it. And here's what it looks like with the top on. So it actually comes with a little flexible thing, so you can actually flex it with the top on. I mean, I like these. These are good. Kind of cute. I think I might leave them in my boat so I can just find land if I ever get lost. So it comes with a nice little case and everything too. It's like a little neoprene case. So I like it. So I'm gonna hook up these things here. Let's see how we do this. So I'm trying to put the string on right now. So through both these sections here. And oh, that's funny. On this side, you can kind of see it's open. See, so it'll go through, but then it's open, and on the other side it's closed. I guess so you can keep it hanging without it getting in the way. But let's see. So this side here doesn't matter too much if it's through the loop. And then we'll go through there. And through there. Okay, so we have one side on. Now let me put the other side on as well. So this one I have to make sure goes through that loop because it doesn't open up. So there's that. And we'll go up through here. And down through there. And there we go. Now we have them on they're hanging there. They're good. So it hangs here, so I can take off the cap and it'll just hang there, you see, because it's on the loop. But when it's on, I can actually put the little strap around it there and it'll just keep it a little bit more straight. So there we go. Excellent. So I like this. These are cute little binoculars. They were a decent price. They were on Amazon. I'm going to put a link to it in the description. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.